Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through how you can challenge a charge with Navy Federal. You have several options to submit a dispute online, over the phone, in person, at a branch, or by mail. If you'd like to handle it online, start by logging into your account at navyfederal.org. Once you're signed in, go to the Account section and select the credit card connected to the transaction in question. From there, scroll to the Account Services area and click on Dispute Credit Card Transactions to begin the process. If you'd rather speak with someone directly, you can contact Navy Federal's customer support team or stop by your nearest branch for help. Mailing your dispute is also an option. Just send your written request to the appropriate Navy Federal mailing address. Thanks for watching, and I hope your concern is resolved quickly and without hassle.